Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce a program which is called Integrated Analysis System for Lighting, a tunnel lighting system. This program adopts point-by-point method, which is believed to be effective in improving the design precision and at the same time ensuring maximum energy efficiency of the lighting installation. The program adopts IESNA LM-63 standard to be the light distribution data file. In this dialog, you can link the Luminaire database to the program. You can also check every Luminaire's parameters and the lighting intensity curve. By clicking these two buttons, you can also output the Luminaire's lighting data to original software and server software. This is the main interface of the program. This program includes four tabs. The first tab is to divide the tunnel length into several zones along the driving sections. The luminance and the length of each lighting zone are decided according to different traffic volume and weather conditions. Generally speaking, we adopt 4 levels of dimming. In daytime, they are sunny, cloudy, overcast, fully overcast, and 2 levels of dimming at night, light traffic and heavy traffic. In this step, some basic information should be input, such as load weight, classification, design speed, traffic volume, tunnel orientation, latitude, geographic location, approaching grades, and so on. For a unidirectional tunnel, the end tunnel length is divided into threshold zone, transition zone, interior zone, and exit zone, while for a bidirectional tunnel, threshold zone and transition zone are needed at both portals. The result is listed in this table, and the figure shows the luminance curve under different weather conditions and traffic conditions. And this is the left tube in China. The traffic keep right. The second tab is used to define luminaire circuits for each zone, including luminaire type, this is a circuit name, installation parameters, installation length expressed by starting mileage and ending mileage from 2, and 4 luminaire installation modes are included in the program, including 2-sided opposite arrangement, 2-sided staggered arrangement, single-sided arrangement, and 1 row above load center line. For the first 3 installation modes, the installation angle around the tunnel X can be adjusted. For the luminaires mounted above the center line of load surface, a symmetric counter beam lighting or plugging lighting configurations can be defined. In the upper right table, the analyze parameters such as pavement classification, pavement width, perspective, distance, calculation grade, transverse span, oversight luminaires, height oversight luminaires, height over central luminaires are to be preset before running for analysis. Different pavement can be chosen R1, R2, R3, R4, C1, C2. And by clicking this button, Luminaire's layout plane can be output to AutoCAD, in which all the luminaires mounted in two tubes, in addition to those in bypasses and emergency stop strips, are drawn integrally. And I click this button, you can get the Luminaire statistic tables. The first table is for the Luminaire's summary information in the right tube, the left tube, and even in cross passengers. And each table includes circuit name, luminaire type, the power of each luminaire, numbers of each circuit, and the total power. And in the third tab, you can run calculation and then to check whether the lighting design indicators under a given operation condition meet the minimum driving lighting criteria stated in code or specification. First, setting lighting control scheme through switch certain circuit on or off under various weather conditions and traffic conditions, like this. Switch on, switch off. You can switch any circuit on or off and different operation condition, including the weather condition and the traffic volume condition. Then click select a certain section, and then simply click this button. Then you can see the results in this table. This is an example. Maybe the result is not very reasonable, but I only want to show you the process of operation of this program. And the results include the minimum illuminance value, maximum illuminance value, average illuminance value, and luminance values, and total uniformity, longitudinal uniformity values. Then the program will check the results according to the codes and the specification. By clicking this button, you can get the calculation report. This is what the report looks like. And this table lists the values, the illuminance and the luminance values point by point. And you can also output the point-by-point calculation results to SURF and get the isogram figures in SURF. This is an example. And in the fourth tab, you can estimate annual power consumption, annual cost, carbon dioxide emission, and equivalent standard coal consumption per year. And before outputting the Luminaire layout, you should define the bypass numbers, bypass ranges, emergency stop strips, and the luminaires parameters in bypasses and other settings. So this is a simple introduction of the program. If you have any suggestion, please contact me. Thank you so much.